All right, guys, we got CJ's truck here. Basic, just no start. Okay, it's building about 197 pounds. I did a diag on it. Yeah, we had a whole freaking bunch of trucks show up yesterday. We got buried, but okay, building about 197 pounds. No start. Not hot, not cold, not just no start. Okay, it's been a long time since we've seen this, but this very familiar from the Dorman oil cooler fiasco. So what we're going to do is, before we go condemn it, we're going to put it back in and fire it up and see how long it takes to clog it again. It might clog it in 5 minutes, who knows. But we're going to go ahead and put that back in. That's the IPR valve that we go in for. So that's what we're doing right now. Figured I'd show it. I really wanted to just show the greens, the gasket material. If you look up Dorman oil coolers, this is very common, but I haven't seen any in a long time because I guess people quit using them. So, but there you go. Figured I'd show it. CJ's truck. All right, guys, have a good day.